We'll guide you through how to create transitions in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop. You'll want to start by importing your clips, so go to the Media tab and hit the Import button to select your video files. Once imported, drag and drop them onto the timeline. Now, to add a transition, you'll need to click on the Transition tab located at the top of the screen. This will open up a variety of transition options for you to choose from. Hover over any transition to see a preview, then simply drag your selected transition between two clips on the timeline. When you drop it, you'll see a small icon indicating the transition has been added. You can adjust the duration by clicking on the transition in the timeline and dragging its edges to make it longer or shorter, depending on your preference. If you want to fine-tune the transition, double-click on it to open the Settings panel where you can adjust the speed and intensity. Remember, transitions can add a lot of flair to your video, but using too many can be overwhelming, so try to use them purposefully. Once you're happy with your transitions, you can preview your work by pressing the play button to see how it all flows together. When everything looks good, go ahead and export your video by clicking on the Export button at the top right corner. You can choose your preferred settings and file location, then hit Export again to save your finished video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.